Good morning, guys and ladies, of course, as well, for those 0.7% that are watching. Thank you. It's probably you, Annie. You know what I'm talking about. Alright guys, sorry, I know it's been about 5 days since I put a video up. I've been pretty busy of late, and I've gone down to driven down to go visit family that I hadn't seen since January, and arrived yesterday. So on the way down here, I stopped by at the Drifta Brandale store, and I picked up, let's just say, a few items, just a few. You'll see, and I've got one here I'm about to show you today. Now again, it's another Drifta Stockton product, so I love their products that are coming out with. So without further ado, let's have a look, and it's going to be an unboxing too. This is something that I've really been looking forward to. It is a Drifta Stockton deluxe reclining camp chair. Ever since I heard these were coming out, I was so keen, I couldn't wait to try them out. They looked really comfortable. And I know Stephen and Annie, they beat me to it. They went down to the Drifta store about a week or so before I did and tried them out. And I asked him, what do you think? He said as soon as he sat on it, within a second, he knew he's going to buy a couple. So that's how good they are. Let's take a look. I don't often do unboxing videos, so let's see how we go. I hope you like the little location here. I'm at the back of his sister's house, and they've got this cool little bar here, and with beer on tap just behind me. I kid you not, I just pull that lever out and there's beer there. And no, I did not drink any. Some of you may know I'm not a drinker. So, although I have been known to have a couple here and there, so if I ever get offered one, I will never refuse it, particularly if I'm not driving, but I won't go out of my way. So let's have a look and see what we got here, eh? Some of you would already know what it is, of course. So it's the first time I've taken it out. Now guys, there's two colours you can get. You can get the black or the brown. Okay, I choose the brown. I like the brown colour. Alright. I watched Stephen do this the other day, so I know how it's open. He just grabbed a knife and just cut this top bit open. So I knew what to do here. I hope you like my new shirt. Guys, I finally got a Drifta Stockton shirt. Check this out. I hope you can see that. Huh? That was on clearance. So they've got a few still left there if you want one of these. And they're really nice. They're quite stretchy as well, as you can see. So let's have a look. So obviously, you can see there, comes in a really nice bag. You know me, I like the bags. So it's got this awesome little carry handle here, and it's nice and light. Nice and lightweight too. So now I went and had a look at a Tent World store this morning, and having a look to see what chairs they got, and there was nothing there like anything close to this that I could see. So you won't see too many of these type of chairs, and surprisingly wide. And there it is there. Okay. Now what we might do is I don't have enough room, so we'll relocate the camera just over there. So you got more room, and I'll set this up and show you. But before I do, come with me. Can you see me? Is that gonna... I bet a few of you guys would love to be here, eh? 3. Maybe it's 3 different types of beer there, I don't know. But let's move this camera. I've never opened these before, so it's the first time, and you're going to follow me with this. Now, so far as I know, hang on, let's have a look here. I think this pulls apart, does it? Oh, here we go. Now, I believe, okay, I don't know if you can see that there. Now, there's this lever here that you pull up, and that locks it. That locks it in. Okay, so that's locked in now. Now, the beauty with this chair is that it reclines. So if you can have a look here. Okay, so there's a few positions. There's 1, 2, and 3. So let's put this to the test, shall we? Make sure everything's right. Now I got to sit down on this yesterday as soon as I rocked up at the Drifta Brendale store. And my mum came with me for the trip, and we were at the store for 3 hours yesterday, from 9:30 a.m. till 12:30 p.m. I know, 3 hours. I hadn't been there I worked out, it's been over a year since I've been to a Drifta store. And my mum sat on one of these chairs for 3 hours, and she said it was very comfy. So this is the upright position. Oh, that's the next position back, and goes back all the way as far as this. Check that out. Oh, hey, how good is that? All right, so I'm going to keep this video short.